So here is how you can erase the system storage on the iPad. That's a problem a lot of people have when they basically check out at the storage section of their iPad and the system storage is taking up a huge portion of it. And there are some things you can do, of course. Well, at first, an update to your iPad OS might help, as obviously the system storage is everything from the iPad OS to some cached files in the background. So updating can only help. But if it doesn't do anything, there are some tricks which people do in order to completely remove the system storage. Well, you can technically perform what's called a date trick, which has worked for me, and it's essentially a way for you to set the date of your phone or iPad to a year in the future. So you just go to the settings and find the date and time and set it 1 year ahead. Then what you do is to wait like 20 minutes and you can then just restart the iPad, right? So you just give it some time, perform a restart, and then you can set it back to the actual date. And what this can do is that it can just clear some cached files because it's been too long, and the iPad thinks that a year has passed and some cached files might get removed. Right, so it might work, but keep in mind that some other things might be affected as well. For example, the messages might be removed if you're doing this, so just be careful, because if you open up the settings and go to the apps at the bottom and find the messages right there, you can basically just ensure that the messages are kept forever, right? So nothing happens to them. There is the message history and keep messages. Make sure that it is set to forever, because if you are performing this trick, you might end up clearing the messages accidentally. But the point is that you're going to do this trick and see if it makes any difference to you. Let me know what you think, or if it actually worked for you in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear. But that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.